The street behind me usually abuzz with activities during Eid time, with crowd jostling for space. In this hugely crowded and densely populated Batla House area of Delhi, a predominantly Muslim locality, Eid brings in more people and the area glitters. This year, however, people are not going out for their usual Eid shopping. Despite relaxation in the lockdown rules, many of the shops are not still open and people are only coming out in order to buy essential goods. With an increase in the number of COVID-19 cases in India at an alarming rate, many Muslim organizations have given a call to the Muslim community to give up the Eid shopping and to offer the Eid prayer at home. These organizations, Muslim clerics and intellectuals, have been appealing to the Muslim community to save the money from shopping and spending this money in order to serve the millions of migrant laborers in India who have been rendered jobless and homeless due to the 2-month long lockdown in India. Delhi is one of the worst affected regions in India, with COVID-19 cases crossing over 13,000 and the death toll over 200. However, some of the municipal officers of Delhi believe that this data is not real and the real data is 3 times higher than what has been reported. Private transport in Delhi has started to run, but there is no clarity on resumption of public transport services like Delhi Metro services and local train. Many markets in different corners of Delhi have started to open, but still the fear of COVID-19 among people is so strong that they are not in a mood to go out for any adventure. The government of India, it seems that it is giving a clear message to people that they should save their lives and they might have to learn to live with coronavirus.